Inhale, expand the rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. Exhale, contract the rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold the breath. Inhale, expand the rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. One final round. Inhale, expand the rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. Exhale, contract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. And be aware of the natural breathing. Anuloma Viloma. Today we do one more. Anuloma Viloma means breathing in and breathing out. Now bring your right hand up and place the middle and index finger at the center of the forehead. Block the right nostril. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block both nostrils. Open the right. Exhale right slowly, but for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block both. Exhale left slowly because you need to count 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block both. Exhale right slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block both. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block both. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block both. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the hands. Observe the natural breath. Just be aware and appreciate and be in gratitude to the breath that we are absorbing. All the time, nature is supplying air, which is life. But what is life? When someone asks you what is life, we have so much of definition, so many ways we describe life. But the fundamental experience of life, talking about life, experiencing, is the experience of life can only be had when nature supplies that breath. See how important it is. All other interpretations and explanations or definitions are philosophical or psychological. The reality is that life is only experienced when the next breath is supplied. When breath is supplied, then we have one quantum of life. When the next breath is supplied, then we have another quantum of life. And then continues like this. If a breath is not supplied, then the quantum of life is not experienced and therefore no more life. So this is why it is so vital that we are aware of the breath, that at many times during our day, a night, in a day, we need to be aware of the breath, and a few times in a day do this thoracic breathing or this rib cage breathing. A few times, just to oxygenate and develop that attunement with this life force, this life-giving breath. Just be aware of the breath. See how it is flowing inside. Now, one of the most profound, one of the most effective, one of the most transforming practices of meditation is meditation on the breath. What we did just now was pranayama. where we had techniques to change the way we breathe. Meditation on the breath is not changing the way we breathe, but witnessing the way we breathe. When the air enters, we witness the air entering in a dynamic way. That means we follow the breath. And when the breath stops, we are aware of its quantum, of its volume inside. And then when the air leaves, we follow the breath. Every millisecond we follow. And at the end of the breath, we are aware of that retention outside. You are retaining the air outside and it is still your breath. And then air enters and you bring your breath in. And then contain it inside, kumbhaka. Then the air leaves and you follow the breath. The same breath which is yours is now kept outside, and there's an exchange of air taking place outside. You absorb the oxygen inside. So once it goes inside, there's an exchange of air, and the carbon dioxide is released from your lungs and then goes outside. And then this carbon dioxide you release to the atmosphere, and then you capture a quantum of oxygen, and it goes inside, and then this oxygen which we have taken from the atmosphere, the surroundings, is now pumped into the body. And once it is released, then you capture the carbon dioxide, and then bring it out, and then pass back to nature, to the surroundings. You see such an amazing link with nature. So it is right to say that I am part of nature, that I am nature. How can we forget this? That once we realize this breath and the link that we have with the breath, and this is life, nothing else but this, the connection with nature. And then when we feel this connection with nature, then we would realize our connection with the universe. And it is right to say that we are universal beings. Therefore, we need to have universal awareness, universal consciousness, and since this is the operating system in every single one of us, every single individual in this earth, including animals and plants, then everyone is part of me, and I am part of everyone. Everyone is part of the universe, and the whole universe is part of me. Therefore, we are the universe. Wishing all good health, peace and harmony. We conclude our wonderful meditation by rubbing the palms together and then going up the cheeks to the back of the neck, chest, abdomen, lower back, knees. One more time.